students, today I am going to teach you Matrix Minima Method, that is called as MMM. This problem was appeared in the examination. So obtain the initial feasible solution of a transportation problem using MMM. Okay, this is your question. I have written answer here. O means origin, D means destination, this is supply, this is a demand. One, here it is written like this, but I have written in a small cell so that I can solve easily. Since it is a minima method, you have to check in this all the numbers, which is the smallest number, 0. Okay, so what is here? 4. So corresponding to this, there is a 10 here. So 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6. So this 4 I am going to cancel. I am going to write 0 here and I am going to write 4. Then in this number again you have to search for which is the smallest number, 0. So here you have to see column is 6 and row is 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Cancel this, write 0 here. This 6 you write here. Okay. Again search for smallest number, that is 1. Okay. Since here it is a 0, we cannot use this. Next smallest number is 1. Here also what is here? 0. Okay. You cannot use this. Next smallest number is 2. Okay. Here it is 8. Here it is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So I will cancel and I will write 2 here. This I am going to cancel, 0. Write this 6 here. Okay. Next smallest number in this is this 2. Okay. Cancel this, write here 0. Cancel this, write here 0 and write this 2 here. Next smallest number is 2 again. So here also there is a 6. Here also there is a 6. Cancel this 6, write 0. Cancel this 6, write 0. Then write here 6. So here all are 0. Here all are 0. It means your problem is completed. Now what you must do is total cost. 6 2s are, you can see here I have written. Then 2 2s are, I have written here. 6 into 0 I have written here. 4 into 0 I have written here. 6 into 2 I have written here. If you calculate this in the calculator, you will get rupees 28. This completes your entire problem. Thank you.